how to fix problems with Messenger curls. Let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Messenger calls requires a good connection to work properly. You can check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection by opening your device's settings and going to Wi-Fi. Ensure you're connected to a stable network. Now make sure your Messenger app is up to date. Open the Google Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger and see if there is an update available. If there is, tap on it. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. Restart your device to refresh the system. Press and hold the power button, then tap restart or reboot. Make sure Messenger has the necessary permissions to access your microphone and camera. Go to Settings. Scroll down until you find Messenger. And make sure Messenger has full access to microphone, camera, etc. Now, if the problem persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Messenger app. Press and hold the Messenger app and click on uninstall. And go to Google Play Store or App Store again and install it again. And that's it. By following the steps, you should be able to fix any problem with Messenger calls. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.